Picture this. You sign up for a gig app thinking you about to make easy money. You're going to be your own boss, work whenever you want, make $30 an hour, living the dream. Well, they forgot to mention a few things, like getting sent to dangerous neighborhoods for $3, customers straight up stealing your money, and apps deactivating you for no reason. Today, we're exposing the dark side of gig work. And more importantly, how not to get played. Stick around, because some of this is just wild. It's your boy, Big Abe. Welcome to Miles and Money, where we talk everything gig economy and how to make money online. Let's get into it. The biggest lie in gig work whenever you want. Nah, that's cap. What they really mean is you can work anytime, but if it's not during lunch, dinner, you'll make less than a lemonade stand. My solution? Only work peak hours, 11 to 2, 5 to 9. Stack multiple apps, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, because one app will betray you. $2.75, 10 miles, declining immediately. That's why it's a setup. I feel like it's disrespectful. Next up, customers stealing orders. This one right here will make you rethink your whole life. Let me break it down to you. You pick up the food, you drive 8 miles, you waste gas, you follow all the instruction that the customer asks you to do. You leave the food in front of the door, boom. A few minutes later, you get a message from the app saying the customer reported the order as missing. And what happens next? They get a full refund and you get nothing. Not the pay, not the tip, not even an apology. Oh, and here's the worst part. If it happens too many times, you might get deactivated. The app doesn't investigate, they don't care, they just assume you messed it up. So now, you're just out here, jobless, while Becky from apartment 3B is eating her stolen Chipotle, feeling real proud of herself. Nah, here's what I say you do. Here's how you fight back. Take a photo, always. Even if the order isn't handed to me, take a pic before they open the door. Apps like Uber Eats let you attach it to the orders. Keep the photo in your phone as a backup. If they try to scam you, you have the receipts. Also, use a timestamp camera. Adds date, time, GPS, locations to your pic. So when somebody asks you for proof, you have evidence right there. Also, use the dash cam. If you ever do a lot of night deliveries or sketchy orders, a cheap dash cam will save you. If a customer falsely reports on you, you can prove you were there. Report shady customers first. If someone looks suspect or acting weird when you drop in the food off, look around, not opening the door immediately, report them before they report you. Some apps like track customers' complaints. If someone has like a history of false reports, your complaints help flag them. Next, delivering in sketchy neighborhoods. This app will send you to a place where even Google Maps is like, you about that life? They do not care if it's 9 p.m., if the street has no lights on, or the address is literally behind an alley. Oh yeah, it seems totally safe. Yeah, right. Here's what you do. Trust your gut. If it looks unsafe, decline it. Stay in well-lit areas. Do not get out the car until you feel safe. Carry a dash cam, and don't forget the strap. Next up, unfair deactivations. You could have a 5-star rating, thousands of deliveries, and never done anything wrong. But guess what? If an angry customer or a glitch in the system decides to hate on you, you're finished. My solution? Always have backup apps. Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, always keep one of them backup. Track your ratings and your reports. Stay ahead of the activations. Use social media to fight back. Twitter, Reddit, stuff like that. These companies, they need to do better, you know? They need to change the fare. If you see any $2, 10 miles, straight disrespectful. Drivers need to stay safe when it comes to being in these dangerous areas. These companies need to do better. For one, the pay needs to be fair. $2.75 for 10 miles is disrespectful. We need scam protection. No more missing order lies. We also need driver safety. Warn us about dangerous areas. It's only right. We also need real support. No damn bots. Let me know if you ever been scammed, deactivated, or sent to do a sketchy delivery. Drop your story in the comments. And if you're getting value from this channel, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. It's your boy signing off. Peace.